Hey guys, this is a new series called Let's Start series. In this, I want to do two things. The first is hands-on approach. This way, we will write code and I will explain along the way. And the second is the thought process behind. In this, we will analyze the problem and how to come up with the solution. This is crucial skills, I think. For example, like how to organize the project, how to arrange the node in Godot, in what way is the best way. So if you are beginners and interested in Godot and JavaScript or coding in general, I think this is for you. And it will be hard at first, but when it clicks, it will be amazing. And I want you to feel the same way about codings. And I learned C++ first as my first language, and it was hell. And then I learned about Python, but at that point I interested in making games, so I found out about Godot and JavaScript. And when I started making my games and learn JavaScript, and everything just clicked with me, so it feels amazing. And I want you to feel it the same way. And I will approach this as a beginners that knows nothing about codings. So that's it for this introduction video. So I'll see you guys in the part 1 of this series.